Hey loves, welcome back to another video. It is your girl Moya with Baddies and a Bag. So today we're jumping right into the video. We're gonna stop the yapping and we're just gonna get to it. So let's jump into our positive quote for today. Positive quote for today is following her dreams. Oh yes, girl. Oh yes, girl. Whatever your dream is, make sure you follow it, baby. Don't let nobody tell you nothing. Don't let nobody deter you from anything. Keep your head on track and just keep going forward. So today we are we're updating our cash wallets, and on top of that we are also stuffing bills. So we are doing a total of $560 plus 80. $640 is what we are stuffing in today's video. Let us see how we did with our cash wallet for last week. Now, if you guys remembered, last week we did only put $80 in here. So let us see what happened. To my surprise, y'all, we only put $80 in here, and guess what happened? We have leftovers. That's crazy. And the last time we put 100 and we didn't have anything left over. But what I do realize is it depends on what I do, because last week I think I went on the road probably 4 times. This week I went on the road twice, and it was only to drop my packages off. I didn't go to any store well, I went to go buy a printer, but other than that I didn't really do anything this week. So we have leftovers, y'all. We have rollover money. Haha. Let's see how much rollover money we have. So out of allowance we have, oh my god, allowance still have leftovers. Now that's different. We have there's 2 5s, so we have 2 5s and we have some 1s here. Let's see. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh my god, we have $16 out of allowance. Can y'all believe that? How did I not spend that? So remember, last week we didn't stuff household, we didn't stuff groceries, because we had just bought groceries and household items. But we did do eating out, which we do have money left over in eating out. Look at that. Y'all, we have $20 left. That's the same $20 we put in there. So we didn't spend anything out of eating out. And for gas, I think we also put $20, and it seems like we didn't spend anything for gas either, because we still have the $20 here. Oh my god, y'all, I did so good. I did so good. Now this is my daughter, and I still didn't spend anything for my daughter either. Wow. So I still have her $10. Oh my god, girl, you did so good this week. So in rollover money, how much we got? We got 40 here. Oh wow. We have 50, 60 out of our $80. And we have 66. Y'all, we have $66 worth of rollover money. Okay, so for our rollover money, we are going to we have $66. So we're going to let's put 36 into my daughter's savings, and then let's put 30 into, should I do self-care? Because I have an event coming up, which is my girlfriend's baby shower. So I would need my nails done, you know, all of that. So I'm a little bit focused on self-care a little bit right now. So let's do that with the rollover. Let's put 36 in my daughter's savings, and let's put $30 into self-care. So let's move this to the side a little bit. Jump into my daughter's savings. This is just her secondary savings, y'all. She have a different saving, but so we're gonna put $5 here. So let's just put it on the calculator so we don't, but let's just put $6. So 5, 6, make it even, right? So we're gonna put $6, finish up this challenge that she has. So now she has $36 that finished the first kids challenge from the Kids Challenge Saving Bundle on the website. And we're going to color in her little rainbow. So let's color in the rainbow because now this challenge is completed. Okay, so the first Kids Challenge for her is completed. We just added the $6 and we completed it. So let's move on to the other challenge in the Kids Saving Challenge Bundle. Oh my God, aren't these so cute? They're like little animals, and it says each of these is $1. Oh no. Okay, so we're gonna make each of these $5. Okay, we ain't gonna listen to this thing. Let's do $5. But you know, it's a Kids Saving Challenge Bundle, so I kind of made it low for the kids. But for my daughter, being that I'm doing it, I'm just going to go ahead and put each for 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So that's what she has remaining, 30. And we're going to have one more left on here to complete. So let's go ahead and do, so this 5, 10. Of course, y'all could color these, but you know, I'm just being lazy. 15. They're cute. Look at the little elephant. 20, 25, 30. Don't be lazy like me, okay? Y'all better color this in. Okay, 20 and 30. So we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And we're gonna put the 30 inside of here. And that's it for adding it to my half to my daughter's savings. And now we're going to go into sinking funds. We're going to put the other $30 inside of self-care. We do have an event coming up, so thank God. So this is the 30. We're putting it into our self-care envelope. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 in self-care. And I'm only gonna need my nails done, to be honest, and my toes polished. So we have that in there right now. And that is what we have done with our rollover money. All right, so let's go ahead and count the cash. We have 200 here in 50s. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 500. So we have 540, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So we have $640. For allowance, we're going to put $20. So let's see if this 80 can do us any justice like the last 80. For household, we're putting $10. So we're already at 30. For groceries, we are putting the same $10 as well. I mean, my groceries ain't finished in a week, okay? So that's 40. For eating out, we're putting 10 as well. For gas, we're putting 20, and then for my daughter, we're putting the other 10. So 20 in gas, and then for daughter, we're putting 10. Okay, so we have our $80 stuffed into our cash wallet and ready to go for the week. So let's put that up and let's jump right into bills. So for bills, we are going to put $400 into rent. So we have our $200 here, and we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 4. So we're putting 400 into bills. 100, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 400. $400 into rent. Moving on to car insurance, we're adding $75. So we have 40, 60, 70. We need a 5. So we're putting 75 into car insurance. We just made some change. So we have 60, 75, which that's half of it. For car payments, we are adding 50. So 40, 50. I've already made a payment already, but I'm gonna see if I can make an extra one. So car payment 50. For phone bill, we're not putting anything this week. For utilities, we are putting 35, which I think is the last 35 remaining. So 10, 20, 35. So in utilities now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. So we're only missing $10 and utilities will be completed. So that's it for the stuffing for this week. We did add $560 to our bills. We added $80 to our cash wallet. We are going to see how that's gonna go. I'm so excited to see because I can't believe that last week I didn't spend a lot of money at all. That is so good, to be honest. Y'all, I brought back literally almost the whole $80. Okay, that felt good. Let's see if we could try this again this week. So that completes the stuffing for this week. Please be sure to check out the website. If there's anything that you guys like over there, go ahead and grab it. Also, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like the videos, and you can go ahead and share it. I love when y'all share the videos. So share up the videos, guys. Like up the channel, subscribe and everything. Thank y'all for watching the video, and I will see y'all in the next video.